So guys, this is a little update on the handrail from where I built for my pool, where I built the steps. Got a little algae on them, but it won't hurt. We're getting ready to close it up. But anyway, you just take and pull the top rail, pull it right off. Cover that up with the wind. And once you get it, unscrew the top. Got the bottom unscrewed. And then as you can see, you got it ready to cover up. So you can take your tarp and just wrap it over top of it and leave your steps in for the winter. Hopefully that'll help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with more of my channels.